Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I am showing off one of my Christmas presents, right? I got this John Deere tractor that I built myself. My wife got it for me for Christmas. Look at that, with articulating steering. And the little attachment has this little doohickey here where you can arrange for the dump mechanism there. It's pretty slick. I thought it was pretty cool. This was my wife's second favorite Christmas present to give. Her first favorite was a new dog collar that had squirrels on it. And if you don't know any better, that's just funny because Maverick likes to chase squirrels all the time, so it's maybe right or wrong to have squirrels on his collar. Anyways, so she bought this sort of as an afterthought. She thought it was cool. I guess it was within the price range to spend money on me or something. So we ended up getting this. But that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video occurred to me as I built this thing. And let me show you why I'm saying that. Okay, folks, I basically picked this at random. This is the third selective control valve kit that I have for the John Deere. This operates the hydraulic top link on the John Deere 322. It could operate a number of other things too, but that's the thing that it essentially operates for the most part. So these instructions, they go through warnings and stuff like that, right? Nothing big there, be careful of high pressure fluids, all this kind of stuff. And then we get into there's your overall diagram, which is pretty cool. That's good. No complaints there. Parts list, it's good to go. Then we get into pretty decent instructions. I can't complain too much about John Deere's instructions. They're not bad, except for one thing. The pictures, some of them appear to be more or less drawings versus actual pictures like those did, and these might be actual pictures, I don't know. But they're all black and white, okay? And, other than checking the book, we don't know how far along we are and stuff like that. Again, black and white. That kind of looks like a picture versus an actual, or an actual drawing versus a picture, I don't know. But, you get the point. These aren't bad, but they're not great. Okay, so in comparison, we have our Lego instruction manual, which opens up, does a little advertisement for something, and then it gives you this breakdown. Here's what it's going to look like. Here's what it's going to look like at the end of bag 1, and here's how far you've gotten so far. Not very far, right? Gives you a breakdown of each page, what you're going to put on this page. 2 of these, or no, 3 of those. 1 of those. It's going to look like that. 1 and 1. It's going to look like that. Then you put it to those, which is also on that page. Also tells you page 6 to 39. I'll slide this over here, probably a bit better with the glare. And so we'll go to page 39. As you can see, oh, look at that. Color. Man, I'm digging the color. Look, it's coming along there. See, add those parts, you get that. And 39, and then look, and we start bag number 2. You're going to build that. That's going to take you from page 40 to 66. And then again, that keeps going through, and then your progress bar. You're almost to the middle of the page, right? So you go to page 66, or 67, but that's step number 67, not page. So I guess you could get confused there, right? So, and then that's what the end of step 93, which is bag 1 and 2, looks like. And then you're going to build that the rest of the way with bag 3. How exciting to put tires on there. All right, and that's going to take you page 67 to 91. And then by the end, you get, voila, the finished product, right? So that's pretty cool. And then they also have a separate instruction thing for the little dump cart too. Well, it's probably a big dump cart in real life, but you get the point. It has the same breakdown. It gives you the progress bar right there. You're almost done, so on and so forth. So I thought that was pretty cool when I was building this. It was super simple to build it, and it was fun. So this video isn't in any way an attempt to, trash John Deere. Their instructions were pretty decent, pretty clear cut. But I'm just saying, what can a multi-billion-dollar American equipment manufacturer learn from a Danish toy manufacturer that does about a quarter of the sales that John Deere does? Well, instead of charging me $660 for that, selective control valve, they could maybe charge me $662 and put those instructions in color. That would help. I mean, I didn't have any issues with it, but it just would have been more simple. I'm just a fan of simple, to put it together if it had color instructions. In fact, I point out that Ron Ellis with Auxilliary Hydraulics has color instructions and all the stuff that he sends out, or at least every set of instructions I've gotten from Ron are made in color. So I just think that that's something that would be pretty cool, is have color instructions. I do like the progress bar at the bottom of the Legos thing, and I do like they give you the representation at the front, give you how many pages it's going to take to get through those sets of steps, and so on and so forth. I just like simplicity whenever I can, find it or get it achieved, right? So if you like this video, hit the like button, and I'd appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos, not necessarily about Legos, but about my other John Deere garden tractors and John Deere 1 Series tractors, you can hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you again in a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye.